Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. If it's your first time here, thanks for joining us. If you don't know, my name is Daniel.
I'm Jennifer.
And this is Cherish the Journey. Today we are doing a RV reveal, and we're going to show you exactly what we got, why we got it, and we're going to take you on that journey with us. So let's go.
Alright guys, so we got a fixer-upper. There's some things we're going to have to fix in this trailer, and we kind of want to make it our own. That was kind of our vision when we were looking for a trailer for our home to finally move into. We were looking for something that we could kind of make it our own and we could fix it up without too much gutting. We didn't want something that was designed for us and then we just had to gut stuff and remove stuff and take stuff out. There's a few things we'll have to take out, like obviously this ugly couch that we're sitting on. This will not stay, so we're gonna cherish this journey of fixing up this camper, and we're gonna cherish the moments of being in here and just really making it our own, and then being able to start making memories in this trailer. We'll be stationary for a while, but we are gonna go boondocking and going into campgrounds and traveling in this even before we hit the road. But we are so excited that we get to, like I said, just cherish the journey and cherish the moments of taking the time to really make this trailer our own. We're so excited to reveal to you the final product once we get that done, and we just have a great vision for this trailer. So we're gonna take you on a tour of what it looks like right now. We're gonna do the before tour, and then of course we will do the after once we've gotten everything the way we want it. So,
but you need to stick around and follow us, because we're going to show you a lot of tips and tricks along the way.
Yep.
Of how we're renovating this trailer. If you're going to renovate a trailer yourself or do a certain or more or less project,
we hope that this video helps you with that, and that you can kind of take tips and tricks from us. Even if it's not exactly what you want to do, you can kind of take the tips and tricks that we're going to share with you, and you can kind of tweak them to your own. So we really hope that you enjoy this video, and we hope that you're able to take something away from it.
So let's get on with the reveal.
So this is the tour. As you can see, this is kind of like our living room area. We're not going to have this couch, like I said earlier in the video. We'll put our couch in here, and you'll see that at the final reveal of the finished product of what our trailer will look like. Right here, Daniel's actually gonna build a desk for us so we can do our work and stuff from here. So he'll have his side of the desk, I'll have my side of the desk. We are gonna change the curtains, obviously, because we're gonna make it our own, and we don't like these curtains. So we're gonna change that. And then right here's our pantry. I think this is one of my favorite parts, is the pantry. It has so much space, and like you don't always see this in older trailers. This is a 2000 Nash trailer, and you don't always see this in here. So I'm very excited to be able to use this space. The kitchen is very open. We have these two great big windows in the kitchen. The guy that we bought it from installed this new kitchen faucet, which is nice, but you see the counter space. It's not a lot, but it's more than you see in most trailers that are not as big as some others. So we're very excited about that. Obviously, cabinet space is a lot. We'll have a lot of space to work with. This is a residential fridge, but I think we're talking about trading it for an RV fridge. So we're gonna kind of take measurements, see how that works out, and see what we can do with that. But for now, I mean, most of the time we're just gonna be at an RV park where we have little hookups. So this will be fine for now. Obviously, we couldn't use it this weekend, but it's okay. We're gonna get that figured out. And then my favorite part, more favorite than the pantry, we have a very big spice rack, which you can see I've already put spices in. I'm so excited. So this is a really great part of our pantry, or our kitchen, sorry, of our kitchen. And then right here, we're gonna put a TV up here. We're gonna mount it so that way we can like swivel it and move it down if we wanna watch it while we're sitting at our couch. And then we have a mini fridge that we have at our house, at the place we're staying at now. We're gonna move it here. We'll probably put it, I think it'll fit perfectly right here. And then we'll have a little shelf for like our movies and stuff like that. So we'll put that right next to it. And then if you guys follow me this way, we're gonna go up into the bathroom and the bedroom, which are nice. This right here is our bathroom. There's a toilet. Pardon the shower, it's kind of not cool looking right now, but I'm totally gonna change that. I'll be sanding and repainting. and making it white so that way it looks more open. Over here is our sink, which he installed a brand new sink. These are not the nice ones where the water flows out right here and just flows right down into the actual sink. And then we have all this space right here. We have the cabinet right here. This is going to be our coat closet. As you can see, we're already putting coats in it. And then up here, our slide for our bed. We don't know what happened to it. We think a gear might have gotten all funky, so we're going to have to look at that. So unfortunately, the bed part looks small, but here's our bedroom. It has a nice closet. Can they see it, Daniel?
Yep.
Has a nice closet. We have all this cabinet space here as well. And then we have the top right here where we can set stuff at. So as soon as we get the slide fixed, which probably will be in the next couple weeks for sure, and we can get this bed to slide out, we can then look and see what kind of space we actually have in here. So that way we can kind of get stuff figured out. But we are super excited for this renovation. We're super excited to have this trailer. And we're super excited to take you guys on this journey of us renovating this trailer and getting it the way that we want it. So we hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you enjoyed this tour. And if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Also hit that bell notification because it will notify you every time we release a new video. I think that's it for today, right, Daniel?
Yep.
Okay. All right, that's it for today. So we will see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Oh.